Before we start, I would love to get to know you. In the Q&A section, I encourage you to introduce yourself and to share a bit about yourself. Feel free to write whatever you want, but my advice is that you answer 3 important questions. 1. Where are you from? Understanding the diverse backgrounds fosters a rich learning environment. By sharing where you are from, we can embrace our global community and learn from each other's perspectives. 2. Why are you taking this course? What attracted you to the world of passive income? Sharing your motivation will help you to stay committed and set a goal. It will also inspire the course community. 3. What is your freedom number? The freedom number is the amount of passive income required to sustain your desired lifestyle. It represents the financial milestone where you have the choice to live off your investments without relying on traditional employment. By sharing your freedom number, you will set a specific goal and it will increase your motivation. The way to do it is very simple. Under the video, you will see a dashboard. In the dashboard, click on Q&A. Scroll down and you will see an option to ask a new question. In the small box, I want you to tell me where you are from, why you are taking this course, and what your freedom number is. I will really appreciate it, and the whole course community will appreciate it as well. I will read your introduction and get back to you in person. Thank you.